Have you ever wanted to build muscle like a superhero? Of course you have. Everyone wants to be stronger and more powerful. But what if I told you that there is a secret weapon that can help you reach your fitness goals? That weapon is sprouts. Sprouts are packed with nutrients that are essential for muscle growth and repair, and they're also low in calories and fat. So, if you're serious about building muscle, you need to start adding sprouts to your diet. How those tiny things can help you build muscle, you ask? Protein, as we all know, is essential for muscle growth and repair. Sprouts are a good source of plant-based protein, making them a good option for vegetarians and vegans. Some types of sprouts, such as mung bean sprouts and alfalfa sprouts, are particularly high in protein. Fiber helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help you to avoid overeating. This is important for bodybuilders who need to maintain a calorie surplus in order to gain muscle. Fiber also helps to regulate your blood sugar levels and keep your digestive system healthy. Sprouts are a good source of many essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are all important for muscle function and overall health. Did you know that sprouts are actually more nutritious than the seeds they come from? This is because the germination process activates enzymes and nutrients that are not available in the dormant seed. This means that sprouts are a great way to get more nutrients out of your food and to improve your overall health. So what are you waiting for? Start adding sprouts to your diet today and watch your muscles grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions about sprouts or bodybuilding, leave a comment below.